What's up, guys, and welcome to the channel. Well, guys, today on the $800 Mustang GT, we're going to be installing some LED lights. We got the headlights right here that we're going to be installing, and we got the dorm lights right here. It's going to be installed, and we got my crazy cat back again. Yeah. So we got the dorm lights and the license plate LED lights. So yeah, guys, we're gonna get all this installed, and it should make this car look a lot better. I'll go ahead and give y'all a look at the stock headlights on here. We'll get in here and turn them on. Maybe I can see them a little bit. So that's what the stock ones look like, and they're just, it's real yellowish, and it just don't look right, guys. It just don't look right. With these LED ones, they're gonna look a whole lot better, on here. So go ahead and get these headlights in first. Let me turn this off. There we go. So yeah, guys, we're going to go ahead and do the headlight ones first. Then we're going to do the dorm, and then we'll do the license plate ones. Now these are going to be simple to plug in. Always going to be plugged basically to install them. That's what they look like right there. Basically, like I said, they're gonna be just plug in, right here. Okay, it's gonna plug in. That's all they're gonna do, really. So yeah, let's get these old ones out here, right here. Get these old ones out and put the new ones in. Alright, guys, so I don't know if y'all can see it really. I ain't got too much light, but basically what we're gonna do is just unplug these lights here. These are the stock ones, and twist it out, get it out, and get the LED ones in. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Be right back. Alright, guys, so I got the old one out. I'll kind of give y'all the difference between them. This is what the old one looks like that was inside here, the stock one. And this is what the LED ones look like. So much nicer. And also going to be a lot brighter and look a lot better than what these do. And also, I learned, guys, that these LED lights actually burn less of your battery than these. These actually burn more, which is pretty crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in, guys. Basically, like I said, this is gonna plug in. It's gonna plug right into that thing there. It's gonna plug in there. Put this little case steel cover onto here. Get them installed and show y'all what they look like. Alright, guys, so I got them in and I got them on. I don't know if y'all can see them that good, but that's what they look like. Man, it looks a whole lot better, guys. A whole lot better than those yellow stock ones. More clearer, more nicer looking. That's what it looks like. Maybe I could tell a little bit. Now these LED lights that I got in here are the same ones that I have in my Chevy Silverado, and I had them in there for like over a year and a half. Never got me no problems at all. So I love these LED lights. It also makes the car look a whole lot better, especially at night. Right now it's daylight, guys, and I know it's kind of hard to see. Probably later on I'll probably get my blinker lights, not tail light, blinker lights, I cannot talk right, guys. My blinker lights, LED later on. But right now we just got the headlights. So now that we got that done, guys, let's get to the dorm light. Put that in. Alright, guys. So we're going to be changing out the dorm light now to LED. That's what the stock one looks like. All yellow and ugly looking. And I just don't like that look. So we're going to go with the LED. It's going to be a lot brighter and also look a lot better. Now I'm just changing out the middle one. I am not changing out these side ones here. These two. We're just going to change out the middle one. Because I didn't get these two side ones. For some reason I didn't get them. I don't know why. So those are still going to be yellowish. I'll probably change those out later. In order to change those two out, we'll probably have to take the whole dorm light down in order to get to the back of them. But I'm just going to be changing out this middle one for now. Probably later on I'll get those other two. So we're going to take the stock one out here and put the LED ones in. See what it looks like. Alright, guys, so that's what they look like with the LEDs in. Man, it looks a lot better, guys. A lot better. Brighter and more clearer and more cleaner looking. Liking it. Alright, so we got this done now, guys. Let's get to the license plates. Alright, guys. So now we're going to change out the license plates one. Which all you're going to need to be able to get these out is just a Phillips screwdriver right there. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what these look like with the stock ones. Then I'll show you what the LEDs. That's what it looks like with the stock. All yellowish and everything. This does not look good. And plus this one over here is out anyways. So to get this change out, it's going to look good just like how the headlights look good. And the dorm light will look a whole lot better. So I'm going to get these out, put the LED ones, and show y'all what it looks like. Alright, guys, so that's what they look like with the LEDs in there. Now I did change out these lens. Took them off my Fox body, put these clear lens on there, make it look a lot better. I try to close the trunk lid down so y'all maybe I can see it a little better. Check that out, guys. Man, it looks good. Looks really good. Man. So, guys, now we got LED lights for the license plates, guys, for the dorm. Now, I'm probably going to change these out to LEDs later, probably, also. Or I just might get some new tail lights. I've seen some that has some LEDs in them. So I might get those. Debating on that. So yeah, guys, we got license plate, got the LEDs, the dorms got the LED, and I am gonna get those other two probably later on. And the headlights, LEDs. Now this will look a lot better at night. I'm gonna try to do a night video one of these days, guys, which I see it. Probably later on I'll probably get my blinker lights, LEDs, and the fog lights. Once all that together, it'll look good. Look really good. But she's coming along. She's coming good, pretty good. She's coming along pretty good, guys. I mean, slowly but surely, she's starting to look good. Starting to look great. I know I'm just doing little things here and there, guys, but she's coming along. And we got more stuff for her, guys. So thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. And if you already subscribed, thank you so much for that. And see y'all later.